Well, topping our news tonight, after almost 3 years of gathering evidence, securing experts, and finalizing a jury, the murder trial for Natasha Hodges is finally underway. Shannon Mowdy was there and has the details.
Early on the morning of August 30th, 2012, 2-year-old Riley Mingo was pronounced dead at St. Joseph Regional Medical Center. Her babysitter, Natasha Hodges, is now on trial for her murder.
Riley has a voice still. She's not here, but she still has a voice. She left us evidence, and that evidence is her body.
In the 911 call she made, Hodges says when she picked up Riley that morning, she was acting normally until she woke up from a nap. Hodges says Riley acted like her stomach hurt and rolled around on the floor crying. Hodges thought it may have been caused by a dime that Riley had been caught swallowing the previous night.
And then it looked like suddenly it was that kind of blew around her mouth. And then when she won't open eyes and look at me, she won't respond, and she can't put up her head for the rest of it all over.
Prosecutors allege that Hodges hit Mingo in the stomach, resulting in her death from abdominal bleeding.
No one knows what goes on behind closed doors. This case is about what happened during a period from the time Ms. Hodges picked up Riley and her sister on August 30th of 2012 and the time that the EMTs responded.
In his cross-examination, Hodges' attorney Rick Cudahy asked one of the first paramedics on the scene if he had seen any injuries indicating the child had been hit.
Didn't see any bleeding. Don't remember. No. Didn't see any bleeding. I didn't see any bruising or marks on her chest or abdomen. No.
Cudahy contends that Riley died from undiagnosed pancreatitis, which caused her blood sugar to plummet. Cudahy also asserts that errors made while Riley was en route to and at the hospital led to asphyxiation of her brain.
Had any of the medical providers that say Joe was diagnosed and treated the hypoglycemia, they would not have had to intubate. Those botched innovation attempts blocked the air from getting to Riley's brain. And critical samples of Riley's brain taken at autopsy show she suffered irreversible brain damage.
However, Waite says that due to the information about the swallowed coin, paramedics were afraid to intubate.
Our thought at the time was if this was an occlusion from the coin that had possibly partially opened and we didn't want to risk moving that and including it again.
In Lewiston, Shannon Mowdy, KLEW News.
And this trial is expected to last around 2 weeks. Testimony will continue on Monday.